Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I wanted to bring you a really short video to share something with you. I created a template and I'm going to have this as a freebie on my website, which is larryslivinglight.com. I'll put that up on the screen and I'll have a link below. But I just created this template and I thought, how cool would it be to share it with you guys in case you have Nuvo drops or glitter glues or all those other fun things that we all collect, right? So I have a couple of samples here. Let me bring some over. Hold on just a sec. Okay, so here's a few samples of, these are the Ranger, I don't know what they call them, liquid pearls. I've got a gold, a white, and a silver. Here's some that I picked up. I think these were on sale at Michael's. These are called Studio G. And then I'm sure you're all familiar with these. I just grabbed a basket full. So I know it's kind of ugly red. It doesn't go with any of my decor, but my little Dollar Tree basket. These are all the Nuvo drops that I'm sure you have or are familiar with, right? So I'm using these, I'm transferring them back and forth between my office and my craft room while I'm doing this video. But I wanted to get these organized because I have them nicely displayed in my craft room, but then I realized I went to use them last weekend and figured out I kind of don't know what color I need to use, and I had to swatch them all. How silly is it that I don't have swatches and I couldn't pick what colors to use? So I thought, well, let me go through and swatch all of the colors of all the different drops that I have. And that's where I created this template. So this one is Nuvo Drops color chart. So this is just the regular Nuvo Drops. I put in two different areas of where you could do it, because sometimes you want to do a line and then sometimes you want to do drops. And then I just wrote the colors. So here are all my swatches and all of my colors. And again, I have free templates to share with you on the website. This is the glitter color chart. I don't have that many drops. I'd say maybe I have like, I don't know, 20 or 30 bottles or something. So it's not a huge collection. But it's really nice to see how they actually look on paper, right? Versus in the bottle. So I've swatched them all out. This is the glitter color chart. This is the crystal. So they're kind of shimmery. These are all of these colors. And miscellaneous is where I have the Studio G and the Ranger. And so here's what all of my charts, all the templates look like on the website. We've got glossy color, glitter color. I hope this is in focus. It sure doesn't look like it, sorry. Crystal, miscellaneous, and then I also made up one with a blank header where you could put different brand names and a color chart and then just print as many sheets as you'd like. So isn't that kind of cool? I thought you'd find this helpful. I thought if I had to create it, I might as well share my template. So that's what I did to test them all out. And what I found as I was swatching them and testing them all is I found out something really interesting. Here's a little tip to share. So if you look at your little Nuvo drops, I love Nuvo drops. These are definitely my favorite. If you open these, you will see I had one kind of clog up. And if you look, if I can get this to focus, if you look really closely, I stuck a pin in it and I got rid of the clog. But then as soon as I turned it upside down and tried to use it again, it reclogged. So that little dried up piece of kind of crusty drops was just going back and forth. So it just kept coming back to the top and clogging it. So if you look super close, there's a little line right here where you can pull this out. These actually will come out, and I'm not going to pull this one off right now because I don't want to mess it up. But you can actually twist these, pull them off, and then I was able to clear out the tip 100% and no problem. Works perfectly now. Just that one little piece of dried drop was clogging me up. And it was only on one bottle, so it's not something that's going to happen all the time. But on the one that it did, I was able to clear that clog really fast and really easy. However, here's a special tip. Unfortunately, on these Ranger drops, I have, which one didn't work? The silver one is clogged. I cannot unclog it because there is no, this tip does not come off and it does not separate. This is all formed out of one piece of plastic. So I can stick a pin in there all I want, but I'm not getting the clog out, and I'm gonna have to throw this whole bottle away. Are we gonna focus? So that's interesting to know if you're interested in buying something that you may not use too frequently and you don't want to waste your money. I can't say that this is a bad product, but I will say I've only used it a couple of times over maybe less than a year, and once it clogged, I'm having to throw this one bottle away. So I will probably not be buying the Ranger anymore, and I'm going to stick with my Nuvo Drops because I was really, really happy to find that you can unscrew those and unclog if necessary. And out of all, well, this is most of them, out of all of these bottles, plus a few more, I only had one of those clog, and I was able to fix it and continue using it. So there's my little tip of the day and my free template that I will share with you on the website. I hope you're having a great week, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here with me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to show up on Friday for our Plan With Me videos are always on Fridays. And I will talk to you soon. Remember, please always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Thanks, guys.